40 seconds, 717.
Unfortunately, it's not gonna work.
Are you kidding me?
No, I think the funniest that could happen right now is the tower disconnecting. Bro, the aircraft taxiing is as fast as the guy landing.
717, wind at 330, right 2 seconds of takeoff.
Clear for takeoff 27, Alaskan 717. About f***ing time.
Alaska 717, please hold.
Suck my. That is 40% stable. Oh, Toga.
80 knots.
Checked.
V1.
Rotate. Ooh. Okay.
Positive rate.
Gear up. I didn't flare enough, I think.
717, combat solar partial around 6 seconds there.
186, thank you very much. Have a good evening, Alaska 717. See ya.